Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on a Dell laptop or even desktop. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first one, if you want to capture or screenshot your whole screen or your entire screen, okay, all you got to do basically is just press the Windows key, alright, and then the function key, hold it, hold Windows, hold function, and then hold the print screen. Just like so. As you can see, or as you may have noticed, there was a snap. Okay, to find out where the picture or screenshot was saved, just gotta go to your File Explorer right here. Okay, on the left panel, we have pictures. So just click on it and go to screenshots. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with this one. So here we have it. Okay, that's the whole screen, including my second monitor. Other option is by using the snipping tool. You'll want to use this one if you want to capture a specific space, for example, like this one right here. Okay, just press on your keyboard again, Windows plus Shift plus S, right? Or you can go ahead and open it up right here, snipping tool. All right, snipping tool. So just click on it, click on New. Use rectangle right here, draw it, just like so. All right, and there you have it. If you want to save it, just click on save right here and save it wherever you want. And that is how you take a screenshot on a Dell laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.